Why modern movies suck. Have you ever wondered? The amazing movies we used to watch in our childhood or teenage vanished, and modern movies nowadays are just a waste of time in comparison to them. This might sound like an exaggeration, but really, it's sad. Modern movies no longer resemble real life. Well, in this video, we will see how the old classic movies declined and new modern movies took their place, which are not worth watching. Not that there are any hidden treasures in the quantity of movies that are released these days, but the contemporary movie factory produces more junk than gems. Most likely, some of your favorite movies aren't all that great. So let's jump into the video and watch it till the end to know some main reasons why contemporary films are bad. The purpose of this is not to degrade marketing departments. In fact, contemporary marketing may even merit its own Oscar category. However, this is the issue. The public is frequently so pumped up by the teasers and trailers that the actual film frequently falls short of the hype. Rich studios shouldn't be able to get away with doing something so simple wrong, but they still manage to overlook the crucial element that can make or ruin a film or the story. Digital effects, large explosions, and corny humor all serve to detract from the weak script. There is no longer any good writing in many contemporary scripts. Each event is put together using producers, marketing, fads, and other factors. Actors aren't the stars anymore, at least not in the traditional sense. It's the roles they take on. The most recent Arnold Schwarzenegger film used to be something that everyone desired to see. They now want to watch any Marvel superhero that is scheduled. In order to capitalize on that character for as long as possible, franchises are therefore stretched far beyond what is necessary. Actors can perform for many years, the characters can't. Because it's part of the human condition, it's impossible for writers and directors to avoid putting some of themselves into their films. However, now people are trying to include political agendas, national movements, and whatever controversy is currently raging into their stories instead of just producing a decent movie. Not that a movie with political undertones cannot exist, and it is unquestionably necessary to depict more of the diversity that makes us humanity. However, including it for the purpose of boosting ticket sales results in viewers feeling as though a message is being forced down their throats. It cannot escape. It is being bashed over the head. This leads to the following issue with modern movies. An actor performed so well in his debut, make 5 more. Why not? Alternatively, we'll create a speeding cruise ship in place of the speeding bus. It's not necessary to make another movie just because the first one was successful. The sequel to the sequel is being attempted by everyone. The outcome is always negative. The majority of scripts are plagiarized from earlier scripts or even films. The majority of authors no longer bother with original stories. Pieces from here and there are stitched together, and the only original stories are those that are purchased from real authors, who ultimately had to witness their content misrepresented on film. Studios decades ago that you can earn a lot of money while still having a good plot. Not many places still practice that. One of the few studios that prioritizes a solid plot with a respectable setup and reward is Pixar. Apologies fans, but the fantasy films like Star Wars, Terminator, Marvel Universe, and others are drivel. So let's review lazy writing, overly enthusiastic marketing, pointless sequels, characters, stars, and constrained target audiences. Although the movie may impress us, nothing stays with us thereafter. Few things stand the test of time. What if I tell you that a stupid thriller like Tremors was made with more consideration and care than a $1 billion project? Wouldn't you be surprised? That's insane, isn't it? Well, that's it from today's video. If you liked the video, make sure to like it. Also subscribe to the channel to get more of these kinds of informative videos, and hit the bell icon so you will be notified. Moreover, let us know in the comment section what you think are the reasons that make present-day movies a waste of time. See you guys in the next video. Until then, peace.